Good evening, lovely friends, and happy Sunday evening on Vlogmas Day 13. Wow, here we go, day 13. I have done so much puzzling today. My puzzle is looking so good. I'll have to show you that at the end. But today what we're going to do is we're going to do some decorations. We're going to do these ones. These are folded decorations. And while they look very tricky, there's no sewing involved. And they're just really sweet, really easy. So we are going to do those. I'm thinking I'm going to actually film it in the dining room because where my workspace is here, once I've got the camera, it's all in shadow. So I think I'm going to do it out there. And because the family is all around, if it gets too noisy, I will just do a voiceover. But I think we'll just have some more space out there. But they're so sweet and they're so easy. And what a great little ornament to have on your tree. So sweet. So we're going to do those today. So I'm thinking before we go out there and get started, we might actually do the advent calendar early today. So we're up to lucky number 13. Oh, come on. 13. And we have a hand cream, a Dove hand cream. And it is avocado oil and calendula extract. Oh, that sounds amazing. Let's have a look. Give me some nice hands for the tutorial, hey? Oh, that's nice. I like. Okay, we're on to a winner with that one. It's called Nourishing Secrets. I haven't seen this one in the shops. But yeah, oh well, because it says it's new. That might be why I haven't seen it at the shops. For dry skin. Fabulous. Not that I really have dry skin this time of year, but in winter I definitely do. But I love hand creams. Every bag I own has got a hand cream in it. It's just one of those things that, especially scented ones, I don't know, just really can freshen you up. Okay, so let's gather our things and we're going to go out into the big table out in the dining area so that we can make some decorations together. So here is a close-up of what we are going to be making again today. And it's just such a really cute folded decoration. It looks like it has a bit of a quilted effect. So lovely. Well, my lovely friends, that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed those ornaments and I hope you give them a go. They are a lot of fun to make. And if you've got a Christmas jelly roll, you can actually use jelly roll strips and it saves a lot of time with cutting. And you could get quite a few ornaments out of those because you'd only be using 3 strips per ornament. So a lot of fun. Give them a go. And I will see you tomorrow for day 14.